welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. Today I have my oldest with me. Today is his birthday. He just turned 14. He hasn't been on the show yet. Introduce yourself.
My name is Jonathan. I live in City.
Alright, so he's going to be on the show with us today. And of course y'all know Jamal, who's beating me with this paper towel thing. So anyway, here we go. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you what I was cooking. I'm going to make easy chicken and rice, and I'm gonna add broccoli to it because I just want broccoli with it. That's my vegetable, and that's what we're gonna have today. So here we go. Okay, so for the easy chicken and rice, I have my chicken breast on steroids because these things are huge. I have my black pepper, paprika, salt, parsley, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, cream of chicken, rice, broccoli. Alright, so we're gonna get started. Alright, so we're gonna do 1 cup of water, add it to that. Go ahead and stir that up in there.
I gotta stir all of it.
Yeah, all of it is in the bowl, baby. Stir it all up.
You may have to cook for your woman one day.
Yep. No comment on the woman?
Well, he's gonna stir this up real good, y'all. He's not gonna explain much of what's happening.
Because I don't know how to cook. Mom haven't told me how to cook.
Well, you in here getting your lesson now, son. Happy birthday.
Okay, that's good. That's what's up. Okay, so now that is all stirred together, we're going to pour. I need to get something real quick. So I have my pan here, and I'm just gonna kind of coat that with some non-stick spray. Excuse me. Okay, then we're gonna pour this mixture into the pan. So come on, Jonathan, you wanna come pour? Hold on. In the middle, where you going? Okay, and then I'll scoop it out for you. Okay, get all that poured in there. Really good. Have the rice mixture here in the pan. So now, Jonathan, I'm going to let you come put the chicken. Get some chicken, baby. Wait a minute.
Step back, son. We're going to see this shot. Alright.
Okay, so you're gonna place the chicken in here. So, like, just place one here, here. All right, hold on.
You alright? Go ahead.
Go ahead. Wait, don't just don't just slam it in here.
WWF, boy, triple 3 W's, more than 2.
Slam it, place it. There you go. Okay, yeah.
Oh, these so
Put it in here. I know they big, ain't they? Put some, but wait, don't. Just place it on top. You gotta mash it in.
That's that chemical chicken.
That's good. We'll just do 4 because that's
Good
huge.
Lord, y'all look at this.
And we're gonna cut them anyway when they're done. Yeah, soap and water, honey.
Y'all look at this. That is a full-size pan. And those are only 4 pieces. We couldn't even get this one in. We might have to do something special with him.
I'll put it back in the freezer.
Look at that.
No, we'll do something different. Yeah. Told you they were on steroids. I didn't even add my broccoli. But you know what? Yeah, we're gonna do that.
Okay, y'all, this is the first time dish for me.
Yeah, let me open it up.
Y'all getting to see it happen first time. This is no retakes, no practice run.
Nope.
We straight what we eating.
That's right. Okay, so I wanted broccoli, and this broccoli is already steamed. But I'm gonna go ahead and just put some broccoli on
Yeah. Pretty it up a little bit. Pretty it up a little bit.
here. Get some chicken, baby. Okay, I'm gonna add more, but I'm gonna season it.
What seasoning you gonna hit it with?
Use
Just regular, no
Yeah.
particular.
black pepper.
Junior, you want barbecue sauce on it, don't you?
No, I don't like barbecue sauce.
Y'all, I know it sounds hard to believe, but our son don't eat barbecue anything.
Okay, paprika. Let's give it a little color. Yeah, a little color right there. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay. Salt. That's good. I'm gonna add some more broccoli. So this is my first time making this, but that's what I want to try. And I already have my oven preheated to 350 degrees.
350.
Okay, so my broccoli is here on the chicken. And then what you're going to do now is...
Oh yeah, you get to show them put your light in the oven.
Yeah.
I know that one episode you didn't have your light. They probably capped on me. Dang, you could have fixed that light.
So could've.
Well, it's fixed out.
Cover it with foil. Cover that real good. And guess what? You're gonna put it in the oven for 2 hours at 350 degrees.
Well, at least they won't have to wait for 2. There it is, y'all. Look at that light on. Bam.
All right. And then if you have any other dishes that you want to cook in the meantime, go right ahead. And we'll be back. All right, y'all. So now the chicken and rice with broccoli is out of the oven. It has cooked at 350 degrees for 2 hours. And you can also add cheese. If you want cheese on top of it, you know, fix it up, do whatever you want. Add more mushrooms, whatever. It's your kitchen, your food. You can cook it how you like it. Yeah. All right, so the plate is fixed. You have your chicken, broccoli, and rice. I have a roll and then a little pepper, bell pepper on the side just to kind of color it up, and yeah, I will eat it. So there you have it. Quick meal. Like I said, you can add cheese on it.
And don't forget
To like and subscribe to What We Eating.